Professor Prissy Ratcliffe back, and I'm showing you how to put a zipper in this quick Godet skirt, okay? This Godet skirt is made out of muslin fabric, okay? It's 100% cotton, unbleached. And what we're doing is making our sample first, and then we can make our real skirt. That way we won't waste any fabrics. So, what I'm doing is unzipping the zipper first, and you see my 2 notches in the back. And then I don't have a zipper foot. This machine, we can't get the zipper foot off. And probably so that kids won't lose the zipper foot. So they put it on super tight. But you see, I don't even need any pins. I just sew it straight down. Okay? Take it off this way, and then I just take it to the other side. No pins. Turn it this way. Take it straight up. Make sure you have enough slack in your zippers, in your thread. Reinforce the stitch. Make sure that your zipper line is straight. And if I had a zipper foot, it would go on much closer. But don't have the zipper foot because I can't get the zipper foot off. And look. So here's our zipper. And then I'm just gonna bring it over just a little bit here. And put that there. Bring it over just a little bit there. And about a 1/4 inch. And now the zipper's in, okay? You see it functions down and up in the Godet. And we'll put the little waistband on and we're done, okay? Godet skirt.